Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Electronic voting machines only answer to reclaim credibility of elections. Prime Minister Imran Khan in series of tweets said all parties are crying and claiming rigging in Thursday's NA 249 by-election. Bashir Memon suggested government political witch hunt. Letters suggest after the former Director General of Federal Investigation Agency Bashir Memon leveled allegations on the incumbent Prime Minister of orchestrating cases against the opposition in political victimization, it has come to the fore that he himself has been allegedly involved in suggesting the government ways of witch hunting. NCOC decided against allowing Yom Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu processions amid COVID-19 surge. Federal government has decided against allowing the processions of Yom Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu after an NCOC meeting mulled over it in wake of the rising COVID-19 situation in the country. Afghan retreat, US formally withdrawing from its longest war. The United States formally begins withdrawing its last troops from Afghanistan Saturday, bringing its longest war nearer to an end. Sabur Ali and Ali Ansari are ready to tie the knot soon. Congratulations are in order for TV star Sabur Ali and Ali Ansari, who have just announced their Baat Pakki betrothal. 146 more die of COVID-19, 4,696 infected across Pakistan. The COVID-19 pandemic claimed 146 more lives across Pakistan over the last 24 hours, taking the death toll from the disease to 17,957. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.